In this video, we're going to be talking about the feature in Microsoft Word that allows you to add comments to a paper or read comments that someone else has provided to you on a paper. This is a really powerful tool in Microsoft Word that is used by more and more professors and proofreaders as a way to provide comments set off to the side but still targeted back to the original text. So when you have a paper up and you want to add comments for the first time, the first thing that you're going to need to do is go to the Review tab in Microsoft Word. Now when you first click on the Review tab, you're going to see all of these menu items, and nothing's going to actually change on the viewing screen until the very first time that you add a comment. So the way that you add a comment is you would select some text in the paper first, and selecting this text is really tagging it so that the person will know that the comment is about this particular set of text. And so then you would go up to the menu and insert new comment. And you'll notice that sometimes the screen will automatically resize to add this bar down the right hand side that shows the comment fields. If it does not resize, then you can always go to the View tab and Page Width, and then it will resize itself so that you can do that. So in this comment field now, I could type any kind of a comment that I'd like to type, and you'll see that it says good job, and you'll see how it actually has this little dotted line and tags it back to the original text so that they can see. If you were to highlight over the text, you would also see who commented on it and at what time. You'll also notice that there's this little field here that kind of gives you an abbreviation of a person's name. When you are working, say, in a group and perhaps two different people are supposed to provide feedback on a paper, if one person provides feedback, maybe they'll be all in the red boxes and you'll see their initials here. When the second person provides feedback into the same document, their comment boxes will be in a different color. The other types of things that you'll see here, if somebody were to decide that they wanted to delete something, you can see notifications about that as well. So when you first receive a paper back, for example from a professor who has provided comments, again, you may not actually see this reviewing pane, and you can choose with this reviewing pane optional to make it vertical or horizontal by adding more information down here, and you can close this. I generally just have this side tab running, but if you first open a paper and you don't actually see the comments over on the side here, go to the Review field tab and then just choose one of these options showing markup so that it actually expands that field open for you. This is really a great tool. It's much more effective than making the comments in the text itself and changing to a different font color, which is more labor intensive. This is a much better way to go about doing that.